there are sort of three categories of response to COVID. Countries that fall in a control category of response, countries that fall in a consensus category, and countries that fall in a chaos category. Control countries include places like China, Singapore, South Korea, where a strong centralization, strong health authorities manage the situation aggressively and quickly. Consensus countries include places like Germany and Australia and New Zealand, constitutional democracies, federal democracies with sturdy roots of solidarity and effective governance, able to cut through polarization. Australia set up a sort of wartime style cabinet, drawing on membership from both parties from all across the country in order to move the work of response forward. Then you have the chaos countries, us, India, Brazil, big, massively scaled, multicultural democracies, often facing robust populist politics. There, an absence of effective decision-making, an absence of effective communication, polarization, tangling both decision-making and communications. And in that problematic space of chaos response, we saw an absence of effective governance in this country. There's a known playbook for responding to COVID, and we weren't able to execute on it. So that failure of governance in response to COVID is another key signal of breakage in our democracy.